Peace, family, from the House of Serqet and SheaButterMe. This would be our 7 Chakra Balancing Body Wash. It is made of a combination of essential oils that balance all 7 of the chakra energy centers. Essential oils are clear. The base that we use is coconut oil soap and a combination of Castile soap with our special 7 chakra essential oil balancing formula. To purchase, contact us at www.houseofserqet.com. Click on SheaButterMe and you will see all of the chakra categories and body wash categories. Thank you and peace from House of Serqet and SheaButterMe.